How to create activities in Google Classroom, Google Slides with movable pieces. I have tons of questions about it. Let me show you. You can create activities for Google Slides with movable pieces, this drag and drop feature using Google Slides or extra application like PowerPoint or Keynote. Today I will show you two ways how to create activities in Google Slides using a laptop or desktop computer, or how you can do this using tablet. These versions will be a little bit different because not all the features are available in both modes, but they are cool and you should definitely try them.
So we are in Google Slides, and the first version is how to create activities using your laptop or computer or desktop version. So you click on this plus button and it tells you that you can create a new presentation. Depending on how you do this, you can create a theme that is provided by Google. But I always try to use my own idea, my design, and I don't choose that version. The first thing you see is the slide, and it's like horizontal widescreen setup, but you can change the size of this slide by going to File, choosing Page Setup, and changing it to what is more preferable and something that suits you. Because I create tons of activities for K2, I'm not really using this pre-filled click to add title, so I will just delete it. Command A or Control A and you choose it, and then you click to delete. So the first thing first is you can change the color of background. You go to background and that's the color you can choose. You can choose the gradient like this. Okay, let it be this one. Here are various things that you can add at the top. Of course, you can add the text by clicking on that text button. Here you can change how this text looks. Right now, let's try to change the font. Google has tons of fonts that you can use. Here you can change that, choose from here, or you can choose more fonts, and you will see cool, beautiful fonts that you can use for your kids, and you think that they will be readable. You can actually sort, show all fonts, script, popularity, sort by popularity, alphabetical, and trending, and so on. I love these pop-ins, that's why I will choose it. You can change here the font size, you can make it bold or anything. You can change the text color. Here you can align it. I love the center. Then you can add various images, insert them. You can upload them from computer. This is when you bought the clipboard or you make clipboard yourself. If you then sell these resources for Google Slides. On Teachers Pay Teachers, for example, you need to have a clipboard for commercial use or create clipboard yourself. You can search the web. This is also cool if we create an activity which is about weather. You can just type in Google rainy day, press enter, choose this image, and it will be inserted. And look, just when you change the size of the image, it will tell you if it's the same one as the previous one. Do you see this blue line? So this one is the same, and you can position it on the screen. You can choose these two images and position them in the center. right now you can see that these images are movable. It means that kids can delete, actually they can delete them. And if you want this to be saved as an image and then to be not movable, you will go to File and click Download as JPEG. And that's why when you create a new slide, you can choose Ctrl M or just press on this plus sign. We change the background, we change not the color, but we choose image. And we will upload from our computer. As you can see, you can upload also from camera by URL. If you know the URL link, you can choose the photos from Google Drive or Google Image Search. So that's like we did about rainy and sunny weather. Or you can drag the file here from your computer. As you can see, the quality is a little bit different, but the image, like these images, are not movable. Kids will answer your question, what's the weather like today, looking at these images, and they will answer here. We can also add some shapes. This is also the variation how you can add your image. We can add shapes, various shapes. And you can also change the color of this. Just choose this fill color and choose yellow or anything else, and you can change the border color. Also, we can draw some lines here. I'm not sure I've ever used it, but okay, this can be various ideas. Just let me know in the comments how you use lines. If you deleted something, of course, you can undo it by using Command Z or just clicking on this arrow. I want for kids to sort the words depending on the word family, so it can be at words and words. So also you can add emojis to this so that kids will visibly understand what you want. You click Control Command Space and the emojis appear, and here you can type in cat, for example. Now we can insert. Again, it can be the clipper that you have, or I will just use the web for this presentation. You cannot use images from Google. You can use them only for your classroom use, for personal use. You cannot sell resources on Teachers Pay Teachers or any other site if you just uploaded the images from Google. It doesn't work this way. If you don't want this to be movable, I mean sort the words at end, you can choose this, delete, choose file, download as JPEG, undo, because it will return this. Then you can choose these words, delete them, and choose this background. Change this background with the image that you just downloaded. So that's it. It's not movable. It means that only these pieces can be movable, and kids will sort them out like this. Also in Google Slides, you can insert audio, video, but this can be a little bit tricky. It should be hosted somewhere. It can be on Google Drive or any other cloud. First of all, check if it's working for you, and then try with a test student, and then assign this activity to your students. Video can be added from YouTube by URL if you know the link, or from your Google Drive. Maybe you created your video explanation about something, about lesson, or just a story about something, and you can upload it from there. You just click the plus sign and you create a new presentation using template or just a new presentation. And again, as you can see, here we have this slide that appears automatically. If you click here, you can add the slide with different version of text that is situated on the right, on the left, in the center, and so on. Or you can create a blank version. If you click on this 3 dots, you can change the theme, which is in this presentation from Google. So here you can choose the bright theme. We will try to use this plus sign, and this is what we can add to this background, to this slide. We can add text, we can add an image. Image can be only added from photos and from camera. This is different from the desktop version because, as you remember, there we could add also from Google search, from our computer, from Google Drive. We can add shapes, again, various shapes and lines. We can also add table. This is also possible on the desktop version. That's something that I didn't show you there. Also can change text color. We can change and make it bold. We can put it in the middle, like align it. We can fill this text field. Okay, let's change the color to white. We can change the font. I want it to be bigger. And again, here you can change the text color, highlight color, and so on, how it is situated, and so on. After we clicked it, like it is selected, and here we can, at the top, we can cut it or we can copy it, we can paste it, and then we can move it. So it will be the same style of words, but we will see that. So double tap will change it to the text. If we want it to be movable, we can add a text. Or if we have some images that are about CVC or CVC words from the camera or from photos, you can add it. So from camera, this is also the cool feature that your kids could do. They can go around the classroom and they can take a photo of some object, or from photos that you added yourself. Maybe you added them from a Google Drive and save them, and here you can add this image. I don't have anything on my computer, on my tablet, I'm sorry. That's why I will add text. We can double tap, and this way we can change what's written in this text field. And you can see here that automatically I can just choose the emoji, and that's it. This will be your movable pieces with emojis or with the words. You can actually make them smaller. Tap once and drag it. Instead of these images, these could be the words. Yeah. So game, cake, cat, van.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments how you create your activities. Have you tried creating activities in Google Slides? Also, for all my subscribers and viewers, I have a freebie. You can try different slides on WordWord. Make sure to check out the link in the description. And also, I have ready-made activities you can use and practice sight words or CVC words, phonics, math, so almost everything in K, so make sure to check out the description. Make sure to like it, to subscribe to my channel for future tutorials about Google Classroom and Seesaw.